Hi everybody, it is Taylor, Starpil's lead educator, and today I'm going to show you how to use our roll-on wax system. So Starpil has 3 different roll-on warmer options. We have our triple warmer, our double warmer, and our single warmer, which I will be demonstrating with today. Our double and triple warmer are really good for high volume waxers that always need to have a cartridge ready to go. So first, you're going to take your cartridge of your formula of choice. We have a roll-on option for almost every formula that we have and a few extras. And then you're going to place it inside of your roll-on warmer. After you put your cartridge in the warmer, you're going to take off the protective tape, put the lid back on the roll-on warmer, and plug it in and let it heat up for 25 to 30 minutes before you use it. So once your wax has been heating up for 25 to 30 minutes, you are going to be ready to use. So you always want to do a test strip on a wax strip before you use on your client, so you can always get the smoothest application. So once you prep the skin with our pre-wax gel and remove any excess product, you are going to take your roll-on warmer and make sure that the Starpil logo is facing upwards and apply that roll-on wax, just following the anatomy of the body. Since roll-on is a soft wax, you want to make sure that you are not applying and removing in an area more than once. guys find this video helpful, and as always, if you need further assistance, reach out to our product specialist at 305-907-0756 or email in at support@starpilwax.com. Bye.